Forklift 3, move the lithium drums to MQC priority lane. Confirm status.
Roger that. Moving drums now.
I'm seeing some slight discoloration right here.
Let me check that with the macro view. The specs look good otherwise.
What happens when metal gets this hot? It becomes as fluid as water for the next step.
Why use soybean oil in a billion-dollar factory? It's the most eco-friendly way to make sure the car doesn't get stuck in the mold.
The uniformity tracking confirms the solidus transition is holding.
And we're stable, right at the target 400 Celsius.
Why dunk a hot car part in water? It's the only way to make aluminum as strong as steel without the extra weight.
tons exactly. The flash separation is perfect.
Confirmed. The conveyor is active for recycling.
Check the oxide vaporization rate.
It's clearing perfectly. We should achieve the 300% bond strength.
Check the consistency of that dowel betamate. It's flawless.
Agreed. The robotic path is precise.
Why use glue on a $100K car? It's actually 3 times stronger than a traditional weld alone.
Torque consistency check complete.
Data confirms specifications are met.
Excellent work. Proceeding to the next station.
Check the weld point right here. See the excess adhesive?
Confirmed. Logging the deviation now.
The voltage is holding steady at 400.
Good, the coating looks uniform.
extrugal. LAS technology reduces weight by 20% while providing twice acoustic damping.
Why is the paint electrically charged? It makes the paint act like a magnet, wrapping around every corner so not a single drop is wasted.
Check this section here. Looks clear. We are good to proceed.
At 180 degrees heat, the paint molecules tightly interlock, creating an impenetrable shield that protects the color from scratches.
These gold-plated bus bars act as highways for electrical current, capable of generating over 1,000 horsepower.
Why is helium used? Because helium molecules are so small, testing with them ensures that no large rainwater or dust can damage the battery.
Connector engaged and locked. Validation confirmed. Status green.
Gyroscope stabilization is active. Pack secured.
Proceed to the marriage station.
How does a family SUV accelerate faster than a sports car? This carbon-sleeved rotor is the key that helps the motor spin at insane speeds.
Torque sequence complete.
System check confirms secure connection.
Scan accepted. Ready for the next stage.
Power output is stable above the target.
Check the regen capacity now.
Looks good. Validation successful.
This is the most critical step in automobile manufacturing, the great marriage. The soul of the car enters its body.
High voltage secured. Did you get the resistance reading?
Yes, it's within tolerance. Move to the next sequence.
How does the car soften itself when it senses a pothole? This smart air suspension uses GPS to remember.
Alignment looks good.
We're seated.
Locking clips engaged.
Alignment confirmed. Tolerance is within 0.2 millimeters.
Sequence complete. Green light on docking clamps.
Okay, bring it down slowly.
Alignment looks good on this side.
Watch the airbag connector.
This titanium shield is so strong that it can easily withstand impact from high-speed metallic objects.
The gloss black trims and Autopilot cameras are being installed. These are essential for the car's smart look and AI vision.
Plaid মডেলের আইকনিক কার্বন ফাইবার স্পয়লারটি লাগানো হচ্ছে। এটি উচ্চ গতিতে গাড়িকে রাস্তার সাথে চেপে রাখতে সাহায্য করে।
VIN scan complete on the Model X.
Ultra red, heading to Transporter 3.
Keep it coming slow, easy now.
Clear on the right side.
All right, bring it up another 2 feet.
And here is your key card. The doors are opening now in welcome mode.
Oh my goodness, that is incredible. It looks amazing.
This is much better than driving ourselves, isn't it?
Absolutely, and the movie is great too.
The pressure distribution looks perfect on this cycle.
Confirmed. No anomalies detected in the lumbar region.
শিপিংয়ের সময় বালু বা পাথর থেকে পেইন্ট রক্ষা করার জন্য এই ফিল্ম লাগানো হচ্ছে।